Guys, today I have an oddly unique tech called Divoom Ditoo, which is the best desk accessory which I'll be using quite frequently in my upcoming YouTube videos as a video prop. And to top it up, it is also a very good quality Bluetooth speaker. Guys, you're watching WithTube, and if it's your first time here, thank you so much for clicking. Here's where I review smartphones, smartwatches, headphones, earbuds, and quirky tech like this Divoom Ditoo. So if you're into all that kind of stuff, consider subscribing. So I have categorized this video in various sections which are timestamped along the video timeline. So let's start with price and unboxing. You can get this awesome retro pixel art Bluetooth smart speaker for only 120 Canadian dollar. Keep in mind the price may vary at seller's discretion and any discounts. Divoom also offers a variety of Bluetooth speakers, and you can find the direct link to all of them in the video description, so be sure to check them out. You can also get a variety of color options as shown here, but for this video purpose I have the black color. Now for those whom it matters, the unboxing experience is definitely my personal top 5 list out of all the tech that I have unboxed on this channel. It comes gift ready with a so-called mini fridge like container with a handle, pretty innovative. There are some details at the back, feel free to pause the video to read through. So let's go ahead and open up the fridge. And wow, look at this gorgeous mini computer. We'll come back to it in a second. Let's dig deeper inside the box. So there is a USB Type A to USB Type C charging cable, which is nicely braided. Pretty cool, so I can use my Samsung's charger to charge this up. There is a quality control tag, a user manual, and 22 pixel art stickers which are pretty cool. Now let's peel off the stickers to expose the fingerprint magnet Divoom Ditoo Bluetooth pixel art speaker. Now let's talk about its design. It's like a mini computer with a retro CRT monitor, which is apparently a pixel art display. There are 6 classic mechanical style keys giving you a very nice satisfying click. And a joystick, which is apparently not a joystick, rather it's a lever that can only be triggered by pushing it down. On the side there is a micro SD card slot where you can load up all the music track to be played off without pairing this to your smartphone, the power on and off key, and the USB Type C charging port. At the back there is a mini subwoofer and the speaker grill at the top. This tiny little speaker outputs 10 watts of audio with 360 surround sound. Stay tuned for its demo. Now let's go ahead and power it up. Now in terms of the setup process, it's pretty self-explanatory. Open the Bluetooth settings on your phone and pair it up just like any regular Bluetooth speaker. Once connected, you'll be greeted with time. Now let me briefly walk you through the menu and settings. The menu key will have an accent color and it's labeled M. This is used to enter the menu. You can use the arrow key to browse around the menu where you'll find options like games, music, paint, settings, and time. To enter any of this, you have to press down on the joystick. Now under games, you'll find 8 classic retro brick games. Anyone like me who grew up using those retro handheld brick game consoles will know what these games actually are. Comment down below if this sparked the nostalgic memory of those brick games. And let me know which one was your all-time favorite brick game. My favorite is the classic racing game. Moving on, under music, you can select the source that can be either Bluetooth or your micro SD card. Next is paint, where you can move the cursor around by the plus and the minus key for up and down, as well as the arrow key for the sideways movement to color the picture and reveal the art. Under settings, you'll find scoreboard to record moves during a chess game or any other game to keep track of your scores. Next is timer. You can reset the timer by pressing the right arrow key. Next is background noise level monitor, which will display the background noise level in decibel. Finally, it's the countdown timer. Last option under menu is alarm. Unfortunately, if you want to set up multiple alarms, you have to do that from the mobile app. Speaking of mobile app, you can download the Divoom app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store for free, and this will open up a whole lot of options for you. Guys, if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for sticking around. Please smash that like button and hit that subscribe button. Come on guys, it really helps this channel out, and in doing so you will get to see such cool videos. Now, I'm not going to show all the options as the app is pretty self-explanatory to navigate around. From the bottom tab, you can find the Me tab. Here's where you can connect your Divoom speaker and access all these settings. Now, Divoom has a huge community, and under the Message tab, you'll find like and followers to your custom design and the messages from other members. Now on the center tab, you'll find a vast library of all the pixel art created by other users, and they are all well categorized. I bet you'll find a ton of cool designs that you really like. You can also create your own by tapping on the plus icon. Now you can play around with your creativity over here, but I can't show you all the options in this video, as in doing that the video will be super long. Now under channels, you will find the clock screen customization options, lighting customization, visualizer. My favorite here is the matrix style visualizer. Lastly, custom. Here's where you have 3 tabs to store 12 of your favorite animations, which you can find from the gallery, and the animations will be cycled on the display. You can adjust the animation time from here as well. Finally, under Discover, you'll find More, under which you'll find options like DJ Mixer, which my daughter loves a lot, as you can create your own mix of music and even record it, along with all type of instrumental music playbacks. Going back, you will find alarms. As said earlier, to set up multiple alarms, you have to do it from here. Planner. Game is where you can use the phone as a gamepad for the games we talked about earlier, but I would rather prefer the mechanical key for those satisfying clicks. Under audio, you'll find voice memo. You can record a voice memo and add all these effects. You can also directly record a voice memo from the Divoom Ditoo by press holding the joystick down. This is also another cool feature. You can even set custom voice commands from this option. Another cool feature is notifications. You can receive notifications on this Divoom Ditoo with the logo of the app, like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, calls, WhatsApp, etc., and it works great. You can turn on or off the notifications from your desired app. With all that said, let's talk about the display and speaker quality and wrap this video up with my final say. So this Divoom Ditoo has a 16 by 16 pixel bright display, so when you access the library of designs, you will find designs ranging from 16 pixel to 64 pixel, but this Divoom Ditoo will only be able to display 16 by 16 pixels, which is sufficient for a decent quality pixel art animation. This Divoom Ditoo is powered by 3000 mAh battery, which is good enough for 5 to 6 hours. Again, it depends on the usage. However, it is listed for 8 hours of playback. Now, you can use this to play music tracks from your phone's default music player or other music players like Spotify, Amazon Music, YouTube Music, etc. In terms of controls, you can use the arrow key to skip a track forward or backward, and the lever is used to play or pause a track, and the plus and minus keys are used for volume. Now, the bass of the speaker is certainly good quality. It is clean and with no distortion even at the max volume. I really like the speaker's quality. I can certainly say it's not the best for this price category, but keep in mind it's not just a Bluetooth speaker. You can also get this distinctive design along with the games, pixel art and other settings as talked earlier during this video. So here's my final verdict. This Divoom Ditoo is targeted to a niche audience. So if you're a music enthusiast and wants a top of the line sound quality, I would say you can find it somewhere else, maybe even for a lesser amount. I have an entire playlist of headphones, earbuds, speakers, etc. linked at the end of this video. Be sure to check it out. But this Divoom Ditoo is a great desk accessory or for your video prop. You certainly can't deny the cuteness of this Bluetooth speaker and all the retro pixel art design along with all the other cool stuff as shown above. There are some underrated features like the sleep timer where you can play a calming sound for a few minutes to help you fall asleep. The planner where you can either use a preset planner like the child time planner and even customize it or create your own planner. Radio where you can browse from a whole list of radio channels and add them to your favorite list. So overall, this is a very unique device. I bet if you were to get it, certainly you won't regret it. And this will find space somewhere in your house, apartment or office desk, as the functional implications are not just limited to a Bluetooth speaker but also quite ornamental, and the pixel art display adds a cool vibe to your desk setup. Let me know in the comments down below what do you think about this Divoom Ditoo, and if you want to get this, check out the links in the video description along with their other products. With that being said, I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up. It really means a lot. Also follow me on my social media network for early preview to upcoming videos and free giveaways. Links are in the description of all my videos. Thanks so much for watching and take care. I'll catch you guys in the next one.